So I finally I got a good job and I moved again. And I'm putting away cardboard boxes after moving in. And so I'm not sure what it is, but I put away a spice rack, and I put away some old stuff with dust on it, and I'm not sure what it's been, but I've been a little sneezy. No, okay, figured what it is. I won't sneeze. I'll try not to sneeze. But I don't know if I'm just not used to the plants around here too. Maybe I'm I keep thinking I'm gonna sneeze. Trying not to, but I feel it coming. Oh jeez, I'm gonna sneeze. Yeah, I keep sneezing. Oh jeez, I just can't help it. It's been all the time, and now my nose is stuffy. I hope it stops soon. I'm just so I just can't stop it sometimes. And it just, oh jeez. I need to be sure the spice rack is at the cabinet all the time. And you get these boxes out here in case there's just stuff in them, like dust or the cardboard. There's like fragments of cardboard. Oh jeez. I'm gonna sneeze again. I can't help it. I just okay, maybe not. But it just tickles. No, it's gonna happen. No. Oh, it's teasing me. My nose is teasing me. It's horrible. I need a tissue. No. Oh. Where's my tea? Where's my tea? Here we go. Okay. I'm okay. Oh. Oh, that's better. No, it still tickles. Hey. Oh, come on. One less. I say one last one. It's never one last one. There's always another sneeze. Oh, jeez. I need to get some allergy medication.